Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
New York Times Business. September 6. 9:04 America. New York, China's Weibo suspends BTS, Blackpink and EXO fan accounts. Weibo accused one account devoted to a BTS member of illegal fundraising amid a crackdown on 22 pages at a BTS festival hosted by the Korean Cultural Center in Beijing in June.
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 6, 8:41 America. New York, aluminum hits decade high after Guinea coup. Aluminum prices rose to their highest level in 10 years after a military coup in mineral-rich Guinea threatened to snarl the lightweight metal supply chain.
ForexLive. September 6, 8:24 America. New York, UK long-term inflation expectations inch up in Citi, YouGov poll. One-year inflation expectations unchanged. The Bank of England is likely watching the monthly surveys from Citi, YouGov on British inflation expectations. This month's reading will give them some reassurance that higher price expectations aren't creating a feedback loop.
New York Times Business. September 6, 8:24 America. New York, if Gawker is nice, is it still Gawker? I'm not interested in ruining people's lives, says its top editor, Leah Finnegan, who once insulted a baby in a headline. Leah Finnegan, the editor of the newest incarnation of Gawker, at the site and AMP. RSQUO's offices in Manhattan.
Global Economy. September 6, 8:17 America. New York, COVID-19 has made fighting inequality more critical than ever. The pandemic has widened the gulf between rich and poor, but by cooperating we can rebuild a more sustainable world.
ForexLive. September 6, 7:53 America. New York, ForexLive European FX News Wrap. Dollar recovers light ground after Friday's NFP miss. Forex news from the European trading session the 6th of September 2021 headlines. Markets. USD leads. AUD lags on the day. European equities higher. Gold down 0.1% to $1,823.90.
Global Economy. September 6, 7:52 America. New York, UK set to extend Northern Ireland grace periods for third time. Brussels and London seeking to avoid repeat of Brexit tensions dubbed sausage wars.
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 6, 7:52 America. New York, this year's cannabis deals look safer than the last crop. Recent mergers and acquisitions might provide a welcome boost for U.S. marijuana growers' weak share prices.
Google Business News. September 6, 7:47 America. New York, NDE engages 2,572 unemployed graduates, Nigerian Tribune. NDE engages 2,572 unemployed graduates, Nigerian Tribune.
BBC News Business. September 6, 7:35 America. New York, pensions. What is the triple lock and how does it work? Speculation is mounting that the Chancellor will change the policy governing state pension rises, but why?
Daily FX Market News. September 6, 7 o'clock America. New York, gold price, ZAO, USD, outlook, another test of multi-week resistance. Gold perked up post-US NFPs on Friday, but the precious metal is still finding it difficult to break through a multi-week resistance level.
BBC News Business. September 6, 6:54 America. New York, M&S warns of new food supplies threat as Brexit rules change. Retailer warns of significant disruption to food imports when new paperwork comes in next month.
Naked Capitalism. September 6, 6:50 America. New York, an entire generation of Americans has no idea how easy air travel used to be. While air passengers today might someday see the eventual end of the COVID-19 public health security measures, they're far less likely to see a return to pre-9/11 security levels at airports.
ForexLive. September 6, 6:50 America. New York, BOC to raise rates towards the end of next year, poll. Latest Reuters poll to economists on the Bank of Canada. The survey showed that respondents are anticipating the BOC to be on course to raise interest rates to 0.50% in Q4 2022, with 16 of 19 economists expecting at least one rate hike by the end of next year.
BBC News Business. September 6, 6:41 America. New York, cash incentives on student accounts squeezed. Upfront sums for opening an account are less generous than previous years, analysis shows.
Digital Finance. September 6, 6:34 America New York, OVO leads digital payments pack in Indonesia, report. Cadence research shows 2 out of 5 Indonesians using digital payments by the likes of GoPay and ShopeePay. The post-OVO leads digital payments pack in Indonesia, report appeared first on Digital Finance. Global Economy, September 6, 6:30 America New York, businesses, not bureaucrats, are the focus of trade. As we enter the final stretch of 2021, lawmakers will struggle to play a big role in shaping globalization.
BBC News Business. September 6, 6:27 America New York, social care. What would a national insurance rise mean for me? The government could raise national insurance to help pay for social care in England. Wall Street Journal Markets. September 6, 6:19 America New York, U.S. stock futures, overseas markets rise. S&P 500. Futures ticked modestly higher, suggesting that the benchmark will edge toward its all-time high when markets reopen after the Labor Day holiday. BBC News Business. September 6, 6:14 America New York, England sees boom in second homes flip to holiday lets. More than 11,000 second homes become rental businesses since the pandemic began, research shows. Wall Street Journal Markets. September 6, 6:14 America New York, traders return to London Metal Exchange's 144-year-old ring. Staff from the exchange's 8 dealing firms arrive early for work, 18 months after COVID-19 swept through London and the open outcry ring was closed for the first time since World War II. Wall Street Journal Markets. September 6, 6:11 America New York, Goldman Sachs's Petershill plans London listing. The business, which invests in private equity and hedge fund firms that collectively manage $187 billion in assets, is tapping into global investors' desire for juicy returns amid perennially low interest rates.
Global Economy. September 6, 6:05 America New York, aluminium prices hit decade high on Guinea. Coup. West African country is world's second largest producer of raw material bauxite.
ForexLive. September 6, 6:03 America New York, FX option expiries for the 6th of September 10 am New York cut. A look at what is on the board for today. Nothing major to kickstart the new week, but there will be a couple of sizable ones to take note of in the days ahead. Thursday in particular, with key central bank meetings layered throughout the week as well.